My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is a come shopping with me at IKEA to look at all of their new stuff for 2020. It's actually my first video of 2020, and we have Weston here.
The roaring 20s.
He decided to just be a part of my video.
Yeah.
What do you have to do with shopping at IKEA? You just need help?
I can reach tall things.
True.
I can hold things.
That's true. You're a good helper. Okay.
I'm there for comedic
relief. Okay.
Yeah, comic relief. That's what I was looking for.
Okay.
And then I eat the food.
Okay. So this is what we brought him for.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys end up enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, let's go shopping.
Let's do it. We're coming for you, IKEA. What does 2020 IKEA have in store for us?
This chair, I'm obsessed with. It looks like one for my frustration. It's only $169.
We could probably put that upstairs
in
the little nook.
This could be in our bedroom. By the window, 2 of them.
That's what I'm saying. And then a good little table, maybe not that one, but...
Look at the black legs and everything.
Yeah, it'll match. Might have a winner.
This is so cute. The rattan, like, storage serving cart, $69. This looks so cute, like in a bathroom, a bedroom.
That's
even
true.
Like in a kitchen.
Yeah.
I feel like this one's so cute in a bathroom. It's like a media set.
Yeah, and it's storage.
But look how, I love that it's black. Really cool looking.
Yeah,
like
it's pretty
kind
cool.
of different, kind of industrial and modern.
Feels like thick too.
Yeah. Feels sturdy.
Durable. Hi, Miss Arlyne. Someone's here to see you. You have about 4 appointments. I don't know if I should.
I don't have time today. I told you that beforehand.
Okay.
So please leave me alone.
Okay. Hi, Miss Arlyne. I was wondering. Sorry to bother you again. Okay.
So this table's really cute. We already have a dining table, so we don't need one, but I did want to show you guys because look at the legs and everything. It looks like one that I've seen at expensive places, maybe like our house or something. This table looks similar to the one we currently have with the legs.
Oh yeah,
except our legs, I painted them black, but ours is from World Market. This one's really cute too. I like this a lot.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It looks like it extends or something.
This one's bigger. No, I don't think it extends.
It's got more of a farm table.
No, this is pretty. I like this a lot. You guys know me. I am like coffee cup connoisseur. Like I need to find the perfect coffee cup. And I have a few other ones. This one's a little smaller than I usually like, but for how cheap they were and how like they are actually perfect. You know? If you're only gonna do like 1 shot of espresso with milk.
And she's very specific on what coffee cups. Even if I make her coffee, she has to tell me which one she feels today.
I tell them which cup to use.
Yep. It's great being married to her.
I love this dressing table that lace. I feel like we can put this in the kitchen, maybe by the sink.
Okay. Where we stand and we do dishes and stuff?
Yeah, because right now we still have our holiday rug.
You're right. Still
We need to
Christmas.
change it.
Still Christmas on our feet.
I know, and it needs to be pretty on the feet, not Christmas. I've been looking for a really tall vase. Like I wish it was a little bit taller, but
These are pretty tall.
But you see, is it tall enough for our huge pampas that we have? The huge ones that we have in the garage.
I don't know.
This is really cute. It's like dainty, pretty. I like the shape. Let's see your damage. What'd you get? Not too much.
Listen.
What?
IKEA kind of disappointed us a little bit. Let's be real.
Yeah, they didn't have. Well, it's because we go there so much that I already have everything.
That's true. We did get some essentials.
We did get some. The stuff that I did get, I feel like is really good. Like I'm excited about these. The few things that we got. Okay, so now onto the things that I got from IKEA. This jute rug to replace this guy right here because this was our Christmas one.
Christmas is over.
So it's a 2x.
Get this. Get this out of here. Sorry. Making a statement. Christmas is over.
But that's sad. Okay.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2x5 and these jute rugs have just been so popular and I just liked how affordable it was. It looked really cute and it looks like it's not gonna hopefully shed a ton, but yeah, if it doesn't look good here, we can also put it somewhere upstairs or even like in a bathroom. I feel like that could look really cute.
Mm-hmm.
There's so many places.
In the upstairs guest one.
The upstairs guest bathroom. So let's open this up.
Yeah, kick it, kick it.
Let's scoot it out of the way. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that is so cute.
That looks good.
This looks good here. I really like it.
You like it?
We might have to go back for another one. That's how much I like it.
Woohoo! Look at that.
We can use one of these upstairs too. Like we have so much to do upstairs.
Yeah, I know.
So much decorating to do. Okay, the next thing we got, we're gonna need Weston's help to put this guy up, but this is gonna go upstairs in our bathroom. I did not know that IKEA had blinds. I thought they only had curtains. I think because I've never looked for blinds there, you know?
Yeah, and they just have these quick little easy pull down blinds though.
Yeah, exactly, which is all we need for, it's
our
just like
small little
like
bathroom.
A toilet room, basically.
Yeah.
And there's just a small little window there. We don't want people being able to look in, obviously. So
while we're pooping.
Yeah, and they had different colors too.
And different sizes.
Different sizes, obviously. So I like that this one's white. Just will look nice and clean. So Weston will put that one up in just a bit. And I also got this guy right here. This is, I don't know how to say that, but it's just a long or big clear vase. I feel like it's like, what, 2 feet tall at least? Mm-hmm. Maybe even a little bit more. I've actually been looking for a very, very particular vase, but the ones that I've seen cost a few $100s, and I'm like, just not ready to invest in something like that. So I got this one to put our pampas grass in. We actually cut some down from like a field, and we've had it in the garage like drying out for the past like 3 months because I've been waiting for that perfect vase. But I saw this one and I was like, you know what? Let's try it out. Let's put it in here. The ones we have, the pampas, are really tall. They're probably like, what, 6 feet?
Something like that. Yeah, you wanted them really tall.
I did want some really tall ones. I'm gonna put them in that corner over there where we had our Christmas tree since we took that down. But I'm gonna put them in this vase for now. I'm sure it'll do the job and it'll look really pretty. So grabbed this. I just loved how big it was. And then I also got this bowl right here. I believe this was in like the kitchen section. So technically, I guess it could be kind of like a salad bowl or some sort of kitchen bowl, but I really liked just like the white ceramic on it, and then inside it's kind of like a bamboo color. I feel like you can use this for decor. Like you can put this in a bathroom and put like soaps in there.
Potpourri.
Something like I might even like change this out and put it here in the middle.
And put snacks there for people to come in and eat snacks.
No,
no, we're putting snacks there. Cheez-Its, Dorito bags. Okay, thanks babe, I love you.
It's decor. So
no. Functional decor.
We're gonna put like
functional decor.
I'm gonna put like moss balls or something like what I have on our coffee table because I really like that.
Come on.
I just love that it was white. It was
looks
really
good.
pretty. So, and I think that was affordable. It was probably like 10-ish, $15. And then the last thing that I got are just these pretty basic glass cups. But if you guys ask Weston, like I am so picky when it comes to coffee cups and what I drink my water from, like everything. So these look like they're perfect for like a homemade latte with like 1 shot of espresso and then milk. I have bigger ones because a lot of times I do like to do 2 shots of espresso, but for like the smaller, you just kind of want a little pick-me-up, I feel like these are gonna be perfect. And they were super affordable. These ones were like, they were like $1.50.
Yeah, can't beat it.
You can't. We might have to go back and get more. But we already have so many other cups.
I know, I was just gonna say.
That's why I didn't go crazy.
Let's calm down on the cups.
I didn't know.
I realize it's just the 2 of us.
These are so cute and pretty. Like, so yeah, that's the last thing we got. Let's go put the pampas in there and put it in that corner and see how it looks.
Okay.
You guys, this is the pampas. Yeah, these are tall. This is not 6 feet. This is like 8 feet tall.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. I'm 6'3".
Yeah, you're 6'3", and this is way taller than you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like 8 feet. Okay.
We're gonna maybe cut them down a little bit.
I put the base over here. No, I don't want to cut them down. I wanted them nice and tall.
8 feet? A footer?
Look. They are shedding a little bit, so I'm going to spray them with hairspray. Oh, they spread out too much. Dang it. I needed the lip to be smaller. Okay, now that I'm standing back, I'm kind of digging it.
I think it looks good.
I kind of like it. What do you
Fills up that corner.
Yeah, like it wasn't the exact look that I thought it was going to be, but I dig it.
Yeah, it actually
I like how it looks kind of spread out and fluffy.
Yeah.
Maybe we can go cut down more pampas and put it there.
We could do that.
More. For now, it's going to do the job. I'm definitely going to leave it up. I think it looks pretty cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here's the bowl. I put little moss balls in here, and I actually got these moss balls from IKEA also. I didn't know they had them there, but I picked them up over the holidays. So they just look like this, and I just placed them in this little tray that I've had here. So yeah, super simple. I think it looks cute. Wait, I might even change it and put it onto the dining table once we actually remove all of our Christmas decor. All right, you guys, that's gonna complete this new at IKEA video. I know we didn't get too many things, but I feel like it's a good start to 2020. Plus, we're gonna be redoing our master soon, so stay tuned for that.
I'm excited for that.
And I'm also gonna redo my like closet room, if you guys remember. That's gonna be redone. It's gonna be a huge transformation also, so make sure you guys subscribe.
Make sure you have those post notifications on.
Yeah, that's it. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.